Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to CapCut Android video series. So in this video we are going to learn that how you can edit CapCut in Android mobile and how you can use the CapCut in Android mobile phone. So let's start. We are going to divide this course in different classes in different parts of the videos. So let's start. This is the first part of the video. So let's start. So first of all, click on the CapCut. Open the CapCut. You have to install the CapCut, and you can install the CapCut from Play Store easily. After installing it, you have to open this and go to the Edit tab. After going to the Edit tab, as you can see here, we have the options like projects. These are the recent projects whom I have worked, I have edited. So simply you have to click on the new project. After clicking on the new project, you have to select the video which you want to edit. I'm going to select some videos, like I have selected this one. After this, I am going to select this one, and after selecting this video, you can select as much you want. Click on the photos. If you want to select any photo, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to select this one, so select it. And if you want to select another one, you can also do that. For example, I'm going to select another one, this one. So simply this is selected. So now simply I have selected the videos and photos which I want to edit, which I want to use in my project. So simply you have to now click on the add. Click on the add. After clicking on the add, as you can see the software, as you can see the apps preview, and here we are going to see some other options. First of all, this is called timeline. Here we can see the timeline and all the videos we have edited. You can zoom in out with your two fingers. I am zoom outing. You can also do zoom in, zoom out with your two fingers. You have to do that. So as you can see, these are the videos, different videos which I have selected. This is the picture and this is the also pictures. So simply you have to click on the video. After clicking on the video, you are going to see some different options. It depends upon that on which thing you have clicked. If that will be a photo, you will get the options related to photo. If that will be an audio file, you will get the options related to audio file. And if it will be a video, you will get options related to video file. So this depends upon which thing you have selected. So first of what I have selected the video. So I'm going to see some options like split. If you want to cut the video from anywhere, what you have to do, you have to keep your cursor there. I'm going to click here, split, and now I want to delete this part. You have to click on this part. After clicking on this part, you will see the option delete. As you can see, now you have click on delete. This clip will be automatically deleted. Now then come here. For example, you want to cut here, click on the split, and you will click on this clip, and this will be delete. I have deleted this. So this is the simple and easy way. So I hope you understand this video. This is a simple lecture for today, that how you can add the picture and videos in your project, how you can split the project. In the next video, we are going to cover some other options. So let me tell you that how you can export the video. So you have to click on this icon. After clicking on this icon, your video will be automatically exported and it will be shown in your gallery. So I hope you understand this video. See you in the next video.